Alright, so here's my Commodore 64C connected to the newly refurbished Commodore 1901 monitor, and I'm going to do a little bit of programming out of the Commodore 64 user's manual. I'm going to zoom in on the screen here. There should be okay. Pardon me while I get into the shot there. Yeah, okay. I guess I'll look for a Sprite program. Here's one. So this is on page 100. I'll type that program in real quick. Let's see, this should give an example of Sprite graphics. Which I'm not an expert on, but it'll be interesting to type in one of these programs in the back of the book. Interesting. So the book skipped line 40. I wonder why. Let's see. Now, I don't know if this will run on the first try. It's possible. Book is skipping all over the place. That's what happens when you just program stuff. You determine that you needed some code here or there, so that's why you go like 95 or whatever, because you need that piece of code in there, and you may have forgotten. That's interesting. Now I'm not making it's in the book like that. The line skipping. So it just goes to show you that, you know, when you're programming off the cuff or whatever, you have to put in so-called bodge code, maybe, to get it working the way you want it. Of course, the data statements are all lined up perfectly, number-wise, sequentially. Because in the book, that's what the person created first. It would seem. Let's see. Well, this probably won't do much, but it's actually easier to program sprites on the Commodore 64 than it is on the Atari, actually. Because on the Commodore 64, oh, there's some more Sprite data statements here. On the Commodore 64, the sprites, you can specify the horizontal and vertical positions. On the Atari, you gotta, if you want to move sprites vertically, or permissive graphics, what's referred to on the Atari 8-bit computers. You got to move it actually in memory to move it vertically. Not as convenient as on the 64. Let's see. Getting closer. Now I've got the AC, I'm sorry, the SEC to IED, is that what it's called? SD2 to SD2 IEC. I've got that connected. I couldn't remember the name of it. So I probably will save this before I run it, just in case it crashes. I don't want to have to lose all this typing, because that is annoying. Of course, back in the 80s, when everybody would use to type in these programs, you'd lose your programs quite frequently due to power outage or just different causes. Let's see. Call this Sprite test 0. I don't think I have to put a dot basic thing. Let's go save it. Oh, I saved it. Excellent. Okay. Now I'm going to run it. See what it does. Ah, syntax error. Oh. I type any more periods instead of commas. Alright. Not too bad. It's screen color so it's easier to see. Should be easier to see. Slightly. So oh, okay, that's changing the size. That's also in the book. Alright, so that is a Sprite example program from Commodore 64 User's Guide, and page, you know, the lesson was actually before this, but this is the actual program listing starts on page 100. So interesting stuff for me anyway. If you don't have one of these, you probably don't need it. You know, you can look at this stuff online, but I like having the actual manual to where I can refer to it easily. So I'm going to save this once again, and so I have the correct code, and I'm going to end this video. Get out of the way of the camera. Zoom out a little bit. There's the old Apple IIe. Alright guys, this is Scotty Animation. I'll talk to you guys later. For more content, you can visit www.scottyanimations.com. There's a lot more stuff on there.